What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you on how to make $100 a day with online arbitrage. I'm actually going to share with you a few different ways, so it's not only what you probably think what it is. So make sure you stick till the end of this video here, watch the whole video so you pay attention and see a few different ways on how you can actually make money with online arbitrage. Alright, at the end of the video I do have my #1 recommendation right here below on how you can make a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business. So make sure you have a closer look at it when we have finished this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at how we can actually start to make money with online arbitrage there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we can do is really super easy and simple. What you can see here is that I am at ebay.com. I just typed green screen. I don't know why actually I did it. Probably because I have one right behind me here. But I just typed green screen here to give you a quick example. But there are so many unlimited products that you can search for here. So you can quickly see here, this one sells for euros. This is approximately around $13-14. Okay, so here is something very cheaper, much cheaper, for $7.29 here. And if I go to Amazon here, you can see that the prices are definitely much higher. Okay, so what you can do, and one online arbitrage method that is very popular is Amazon FBA. I'm not going to go into details here to explain you everything, because you can do a research on how this actually works. But this is more or less the arbitrage. Okay. Another quick example was I searched earlier here for I needed to buy actually a new lamp for my softbox here, and I typed specific E27 47 watt 5500 Kelvin, and you can see here that I could find it for $579, $640, and when I went to Amazon you can see that the price is definitely much higher. Okay, so you can quickly realize that you can make money by just doing some arbitrage here. Just go ahead, find out all the details on how you can get started to do your own Amazon shop here. Amazon FBA is the way to go by doing this. But you can do it in so many other ways. Okay, I mean, you can find something here and you can actually sell it even on the same platform if you want to, on eBay too, or anywhere else. You can actually do an e-commerce. You can get started with Shopify.com, start your own online shopping store there and sell them over there. Okay, so all you have to do is actually, you don't even have to do the stocking there. I mean, you just have to take care of the details, send it to the buyer here so they can drop ship it and send it straight away to the customer there. So this is definitely one way that you can do it. Now the next thing what we are going to focus on is on online services actually. And I just took a quick example here. I went to people per hour. I typed videos and you can see that there is tons of ways that you can find a lot of jobs here and proposals. Look at this video intro, for example. Let's open this up and see what this is all about here. Okay, video intro, similar to the green box on this video and the bad sound we like to, with the Trav Pro logo and the same sound. Example of graphics. They do explain anything in detail. So basically here is also an example of a bat crack sound, and all you need to do is check all the details, and you can go to a site like Fiverr.com. If you type just a video here, you can see that you can find people who do this very, very cheap. So all you have to do is send them a request here and say that, hey, I got the job, this is the details, you copy this, you paste it in here, and you will get the proposal on a price, which will probably be half or even cheaper, of course, for the price there. Then you get back to the customer in people per hour, and you bid, of course, lower than the other one has bidding. especially in the beginning, so you can get it going, and when you get a good reputation you can increase the price there. So this is one super easy and straightforward actually method to get started with online arbitrage. There is so many other opportunities that you can do the exact same thing here. I mean, okay, you can do, for example, articles. I don't know your expertise actually, so if you are good at something that you can handle, look at this. I need freelance writers for various articles, SEO writer. So all you need here is to do a good research. You can go here to Fiverr, have a look at article writing, native speaking, and so on. So you make sure that you provide good quality articles, of course, also. And I can definitely guarantee you that you probably find something very cheap. Or you can go to other freelance sites here. I mean, there are so many other sites that you can do the exact same concept here. This is how online arbitrage is working, and you probably don't realize how many gigs and jobs and freelance services online are actually using the online arbitrage method. I've seen it so many times, and there are so many times that I have discovered that I could get it much cheaper if I just went straight to it. But people don't have the time. They rely on the platform. They rely on people per hour, for example, or Fiverr or Amazon. It is more trustworthy. So they think that they get it straight from the source there, but many times it is a lot of people behind, like that is cheaper and providing the services on Fiverr, for example. Just to give you another quick example here, I searched earlier for social backlinks here, and you can see here you can actually add 200 plus social book marketing authority backlinks for $1. Okay, and if I go to Fiverr here and I search for social backlinks, the cheapest one starts at $5. Okay, so you have your $3 and $4 already there. You don't have to do anything at all. All you have to do is get the job there, get the gig on Fiverr, and when you have the order, you just place it here with the details inside, and you are the middleman, so that is how you do the online arbitrage there. I mean, the opportunities are really unlimited. You can do it in so many other stuff here also. You can do this on data entry. You can do this on so many other things. Just use your imagination, do a research, and see what else you can do. You can do audio edit, video edit. There are so many opportunities that you can do the exact same thing here. You can do, for example, citations for Google Maps, free, I don't know, Facebook advertising or something like that. There are so many opportunities here. All you have to do is just sit down, do your research, just like I did here. I did it like in 5 minutes or something actually. I just typed social backlinks here on Fiverr. Now if I go, for example, on, let's go to Upwork. Upwork is one of the most popular sites here, and if I type social backlinks, I'm not sure what's going to show up here. Just using, alright, you can see here $5 per hour, $5 per hour, so $11 per hour. So I mean, you can say that you do 200 social backlinks for 1 hour, and you can charge $11. Okay, $1, you buy it for 1, you sell it for 11. Even if Fiverr take you $1 in commission, you still have $9 in pure net profit. By doing what? You just take the order, the gig from Fiverr, and you send it over to the SEO clerks or whatever it's going to be there. Or if you take it from Upwork to SEO clerks, and I mean, you can use so many variations there actually. All you have to do is put in some effort, and you're probably going to find a few gigs or works that you can do there with the online arbitrage. So there you have it. You can easily make $100 or even more with this method actually, if you just put it into action and work on it, okay? Create a few freelance profiles is my tip actually. Go inside there on a daily routine, search and see whatever you can find. or if you go the first route here with eBay, it's a bit different. It's of course not services, but it is totally different here. So make sure you work on it, and I can guarantee you that you can probably get started to make some serious money online with this. There you have it. If you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. Make sure you check that out. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find an end screen here with another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.